Okay, so we're looking at an addition to start with. So we'll put them in columns and add down the columns. So 2 plus your 8 is 10. 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. And 6 and 3 is then 9. So 960 is your first answer. Then we've got a takeaway. There are other methods to do on this one, but I prefer the columns. So 6 take away 1 is 5. 5 take away 6 gives you a negative, so you need to borrow 1 from the 8. So 15 take away 6 is 9, and then 7 take away 3 is 4. So 4, 9, 5. Decimal addition, just critical, you put your two decimal points in line with each other, and then you get to put zeros in. 3 plus 0 is 3, 4 plus 2 is 6, and then 8 plus 7 is your 15. So 15.63. Then we've got a times. If we times by 10, that number will become 53.2. Times by 100, we'd move it again to 532. So times it by 1,000, we'll move 3 steps, so 5,320. Dividing by 100, well, if you divide by 10, it'll get 10 times smaller, so it'll be 95.0134. Divided by 100 is 2 steps smaller, so it's 9.50134. From 15% of 900, well, to get 10%, you divide by 10, so that gives you 90. Half that answer to get you 5%, which is 45. And add them both together, that'll give you 135. Question 2 is a pictogram. We've got 18 people answered sport. Show this on a pictogram. So 4 people represents 1 smiley face. So sport will be 1 smiley face, 2 smiley faces, 3 smiley faces, 4 smiley faces. So we've got 4 smiley faces, that's 16. And then we've got half a smiley face because that's our extra 2. How many people answered the internet? So we've got internet, so that's 4, 8, and then there's a 3 here, so that would be 11. And how many more people answered computer game than other? Well, computer game, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and we've got 2, that's 22. And then other, 4, 8, 12, and then 13. So it's 22, take away 13, which then gives us an answer of 9. How many people answered the internet? I've written the answer up there. Daft, I should have put it in there as well. Okay, so we've got 9 and then 11. And then how many people asked all together? So we've got to add up all these numbers here. So we've got 20, 18, and 22. So 20, 18, and 22. We've also got 12, 11, and 13. 12, 11, and 13. So personally with this, I'd add numbers together in 2. So that's 38 with these two. These two would be 34. And these two then would be 24. And then add these two together, we get 60, 72. And then we've got 72 and 40 and 24. That gives us 96 in total. Question 3. We've then got to circle and square as I circle the P's, including the sign in front, and I square the parts. I then personally rewrite them out with the signs. So we've got the square bit as well. So I've then got 6p plus 3p, which is 9p. I've then got 5q take away 2q, which is 3q, and it's a positive 3. We're then looking at solving here. So 5 times something gives us 15. 5 times 3. This we do the opposite process. So we take our answer, which is 26. Instead of taking 6, we add 6. And then instead of timesing by 8, we divide by 8. So 26 add 6 is 32. And divide by 8, that then gives us 4. Again, opposite process. Start with your answer. Take 25. And then instead here of dividing by 3, we're going to times by 3. So then get 4 times by 3, which is 12.